Hi, my name is Kate Saulcy, and I am a 2019 graduate of Monmouth College. I have degrees in biochemistry and in global public health, and I'm currently a second-year medical student. So what I want to do right now is talk about patience. I know that might not be exactly what you're expecting to hear, a little bit out there, but just bear with me for a moment. So patience is really important, right? Especially amidst a global pandemic, we all need to be patient. Maybe it's patience with how long it takes to check out at the grocery store. Maybe it's patience with the amount of time that it takes to get into your doctor's office with the new screening protocols in place. And maybe it's just patience with those people who have different levels of fear or anxiety about COVID-19 than you do. But all in all, patience is really important. So I want to take a look back at my college experience and think about some things with the lens of patience. So where would I be today if I had been patiently waiting for someone to sit down and write out my 4-year plan, the classes I wanted to take at Monmouth for me? Where would I be if I had been patiently waiting for someone to do my schoolwork for me or to study for those exams for me? And finally, where would I be if I had been patiently waiting for someone to tell me exactly what I needed to do and when I needed to do it to get into medical school? And the truth is, I can't really answer that question, but my best guess is that I would not be exactly where I am now. I'm almost halfway to becoming a doctor, and just 5 years ago, I was exactly in your guys' chairs. I was in ILA, it was my first year at Monmouth, exactly where you guys are now. So maybe, what's the secret, right? Take your education into your own hands. Do what you need to do to be able to accomplish what you want to accomplish. Nobody else is going to do it for you. There will be people to help you and to guide you along the way. But if you take your education as your own responsibility into your own hands, you will accomplish the things that you have dreamed of doing. And the people that you meet at Monmouth will be cheering you along the whole way. Your professors, your coaches, even the peers in your classes will become some of your best friends, your lifelong companions, and who knows, maybe your wedding guests someday. So, all in all, you must take responsibility for your learning. Be proud of what you accomplish, and it will feel so much better when you are the person who's responsible for your success. Thank you.